Welcome to this updated guide on how to hide your phone number on Facebook. In today's digital age, protecting your personal information is more important than ever. Let's dive right into the steps to keep your phone number private on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. Now, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to your account settings page. Under the Accounts Center section, you'll find Personal Details. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where Facebook stores most of your personal information. Next, look for Contact Info and tap on it. You should see your phone number listed here. Tap on your number to access its privacy settings. You'll now see an option that says Facebook Account. Tap on it and then select Change Visibility on Facebook. This is where you can control who sees your phone number on the platform. Finally, choose Only Me from the list of options. This ensures that you're the only person who can see your phone number on Facebook. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your phone number from prying eyes on Facebook. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly review your privacy settings on all social media platforms to keep your personal information secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.